Good evening, friends. Welcome back to my channel Infinite Trade. My name is Robin, and let's do a Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow. So before we begin the analysis, just a quick recap on what happened today. Market definitely followed all the levels. If you remember, I spoke about a reversal that can happen from 40,000, and market immediately opened at that level with a slight gap up, and the first candle itself was a huge green candle which touched 40,000, and then immediately it reversed from 40,000. And at the same time I said that 39,600 is a very important level for buying, and it exactly reversed from that level, and it gave our first target also. And then the closing was again back near 39,600, so the closing isn't that great. Okay, so looks like the market is getting slightly bearish. So let's discuss the data first, and quickly we'll check the levels on the chart. So if you look at participant wise OI data, sorry, yesterday FIs and pros were having bullish positions. Like FI had call long and some put short, and pros had a heavy put short. But today it is completely opposite. So what FIs did today, they closed future longs. So yesterday, if you remember, they added somewhere around I think 3,600 something. So they closed that with some additional future longs, and they also added around 6,471 future shorts. So on the higher level, definitely they are aggressive in selling. That is also visible in the stock futures. Okay. Secondly, if you look at the options, FIs have sold call options and bought a good amount of put options, and similarly pros have strong call option sell, and they also have a lot of put longs. So that means they were expecting a gap down in the market tomorrow. And if you look at the net position, they are still having 83,135 in negative futures. So this is a bearish sign. And if we look at their net position, FI have put create long and pro have call create short, so which is a bearish for sure. So when there is a huge amount of call short, that means market is definitely not going to go up. So let's see how we try to trade tomorrow. At the same time, if you look at SGX Nifty, I think it is trading somewhere with a gap down. Like you can expect a gap down opening tomorrow. So it is already trading around 111 points negative. So let's see where it opens and what could be the level that we need to play. And if you look at the daily chart, like though Bank Nifty crossed the inside candle range, but again it is reversing back sharply. It looks somewhat like a dark cloud cover candlestick pattern, which is a bearish pattern, and as soon as it comes below this level, the selling pressure would continue. Okay, like it crosses today's low, then the selling pressure would continue to take it back to this point. So let's discuss it. Let's also look at Nifty. Nifty, I think it's still in the inside candle range. It is still not able to break out this high or this low, and tomorrow we are expecting a gap down. So I think tomorrow also they may try to put an inside candle. Okay, let's move on to a smaller time frame. and also I'm activating the Fibonacci levels. So these days I'm only trading on Fibonacci levels because of time shortage. I'm not really putting any support resistance. I trade Fibonacci levels, so I know how to trade it, so I can rely on that. Okay, so if you look at Fibonacci levels at the moment, I've changed it, like from up to down. I have moved it to down to up. Let me show you from which candle I have covered. So from this low to this high, okay, today's high. So if you look at that, it is holding itself around 0.786. So once it is upside means we are looking for a retracement. Okay, so the retracement level is already like it is always 0.618 or 0.5. This retracement level can take the market to the at least to the same high once again, but anything beyond that can keep the market in selling pressure, so automatically it will start forming lower highs. So let's understand. So first we'll discuss flat opening. So if we open flat and we break 39,600, definitely we are going to buy a put. Our target will be 39,250 or 260, that is 0.618. Okay, and we can see a bounce at this place, and then further it can come to 0.5 level, which is at 39,018. So these are the two levels that we can see tomorrow. I'm extremely sorry, I have a bad throat today. And tomorrow if we open gap down, so let's imagine SGX Nifty is already trading 100 points below. So Bank Nifty can open around 250 points lower. And if you compare Bank Nifty with Nifty, Bank Nifty has already gave a weak closing because it is 0.35% down, and Nifty is just about 0.06% down. So it has closed flat, but Bank Nifty has closed below. So it may open around 250, 300 points lower. So from 600, it can even open around 39,300 also. So if Bank Nifty is opening around this place, 0.618, obviously here will not buy any put because it is time for FIs and pros to book some profits. So here you can look for a reversal candle and it may travel higher. And this should be the place around 39,600 is where we can plan a put for. Again, the target should be 39,260 and then 39,000. Okay, in case if it goes to 39,000 in the morning only, we'll look for a call buy here for a target of 39,260. Why? Because since it is opening at a 0.5 level, which is a good retracement area, we can expect some strong profit booking, which can lead a rally to this place, and even it can continue to this place also. Okay, so if we get at 39,000, we are definitely going to buy a call, but do not directly jump into it. Wait for a reversal candle like a hammer or something, or maybe at least if it is opening gap down, the first 5 minutes candle is crossed immediately, we can trade based on that. Okay, so this is about Bank Nifty. So gap up opening, we are just not speaking about it because that is not in the picture, but in case of a gap up, definitely we will look to go short. But flat opening, and if it breaks the swing low, we are definitely entering in the put side. And gap down opening, so any slight gap down would be very better, because if imagine if it opens around 39,550, 540 and we immediately get a retracement to this level, I think this is the best place to buy put, and this level should be a sell, and we can expect the target. First target is this one, and the second target is this one. Okay, so this is all about Bank Nifty. Let's quickly check out Nifty. Okay, so Nifty is still struggling in this trend line. and it is not able to clear this level of 0.618. Okay, so this is that line. It is around 17 6. What is that level? 17,680. So Nifty is still not able to clear 17,680. And Nifty, if it opens flat and breaks the low of this swing, okay, so what is that level? Let's quickly check that. 17,580. Okay, currently it is trading at 650. So even if this low breaks, it is immediately going to come to this place, show a small bounce, and then break this, and it can come to 17,500 also. So what are the area that we are going to look for buying put? One is this. If it breaks 17, what is the swing low? 630. Okay, if it breaks 17,630, we can expect a target of 17,500 tomorrow itself. And then we'll see if it consolidates, and if it breaks, then it can come to fill this gap at around 17,370. So that is also there on the cards. And if it opens with a gap down, so this is 0.618, this is 0.5, and then we have 0.382 and 0.236. Okay. So in case if it opens at 17,480, then I think probably we'll see some profit booking, and it can go up to this place. So in this case, we'll buy a call here and 480, and we'll target 17,580 to 17,600. That's it. And just in case if we get an opportunity with a small gap down, say it opens around 17,580, we'll immediately wait for it to retrace to this place, and then we'll buy a put here. The target remains same. 17,480 is the first target, and mostly we'll book around 17,480. The second target can be 17,360. Okay, so that is quite a little far. So let's not wait for that tomorrow, but maybe on the expiry day we may see some good movements. So not discussing gap up because that looks very difficult, but let's see how we can trade tomorrow, because we are expecting a big gap down, and already FIs are looking at profits overnight. So let's see. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.